and welcome back to my home and a new Christmas clean and decorate with me. Today we are focusing in the living room. We're going to be decorating the Christmas tree, and as you can see, I am getting out my yearly Christmas village. I must say the joy that my girls and I had while pulling this out and getting everything put out together was truly so magical. I love seeing Christmas through their eyes, and it was just something really special. This is a Christmas tradition that my husband's family does, and so every single year we have received a little house to add to our Christmas village collection, and so we are going ahead and again putting this in our bay window. I'm using some faux snow and the bottle trees. I absolutely love this little area. I then added in some little twinkle lights, and at nighttime it is just so magical. We had a few extras that I ended up putting in my daughter's bedroom, but that is how the Christmas village turned out in the bay window. Now I have to get some cleaning done in here. I wanted to get the floors cleaned, and then we are doing a deep clean of our couch as we do pizza and movie night here on Friday nights, and it just gets really gross and dirty, so it was time to clean it. Before we get into cleaning that, I'm just doing some simple coffee table styling here. Truthfully, this did not last very long. While I think it is absolutely beautiful, there's not a single thing currently on my coffee table, as it's just not really practical for our family. So I do like it, I think it is beautiful, but again, just know real life over here, it is not currently displayed like this. I shared part one of my Christmas clean and decorate, where we focused on our entryway, our hallway, as well as our kitchen. And again, keeping things really simple. I talked about my color palette in that video. So for this year, I am sticking with neutrals. I got a ton of new Christmas decor this year from Hobby Lobby and Target and Amazon. And so I wanted to keep things super affordable, but I did change my color palette this year, as in previous years, it was not in the budget to get any new Christmas decor. So it has been a few years since I have purchased Christmas decor, and I was really excited to integrate all of those neutrals and just earthy tones this year. Now, when I was decorating, I felt like it was missing something, so I immediately ran to the store and ended up getting some burgundy, and we are adding pops of red this year, so stay tuned to see how the Christmas tree turned out. You'll have to let me know down below if you prefer just the simple neutral or if you like the pops of red and how that all turned out. Now that the couch is all cleaned, we are moving on to our TV area. And we have had this console table for probably a decade, and I cannot wait for the changes that are going to come in our living room this year. For those of you that are new around here, we have been upgrading our house. We just purchased this house about a year ago, and we have done so many major renovations, simple renovations, and just lots of DIY projects. And we have a really big one happening in the living room next year, so make sure that you are subscribed if you do like room makeovers and transformations and stuff like that. But this stand area we have had for quite some time. I painted it white so that it was a little bit more modern. We changed the handles, and while it's not like perfect, it definitely works, and I actually like this little area. Anyway, I digress a little bit. So I wanted to add some greenery to this area and use our books that my husband buys every single year for our anniversary. And so this is just a really meaningful area for our family. And I'm just adding in some little wooden pieces from my mom. I got this water can from the Hearth and Hand collection at Target. And then the little Santas that I'm adding in are actually from my mother-in-law. She also gifted me this nativity set this year, and so we wanted to put those out on display as well. That bell garland from Hearth and Hand is one of my favorites. I actually wish I would have purchased more than one. And same with the Hobby Lobby garland. I absolutely love them. Now, I kind of had the itch to switch things up, as last year we had our Christmas tree in front of our bay window, but the lights wouldn't reach, so I couldn't center it. And I just didn't really like the layout of the room, so I ended up moving it back and thought that I would just move this arch mirror here instead. This mirror has been, I swear, in every room of our house. I love it. I love the versatility of it, and it is just so nice. It bounces light. It makes our living room appear larger, and yeah, it's just really great. I love how it also bounces the Christmas tree lights as well, and again, just really creates that magical space with all of the light filtering and bouncing out. Now it is time to start decorating our Christmas tree. I got these velvet ornaments from Hobby Lobby this year. I will do my best to link similar ones down below. I love the flocked ornaments. I think they are so beautiful. I love the colors that I chose. And one thing that I promised I would not be doing this year was adding glitter. I had full intentions on, again, keeping things super neutral, but as I was decorating the tree, I realized it just needed something. So one thing that I added was these bells that I had DIY'd. These are also from Hobby Lobby. I paid $1 for these. They were originally silver, and I just gave them a rub and buff, and absolutely love the antiqueness that it adds to the bells. They are actually napkin ring holders, but again, I'm using them on my tree this year, and I love how they tie in the Hearth and Hand garland that is right beside it. Of course, we are adding bows to everything this year, so I took my velvet ribbon, found an incredible tutorial, and figured it out. It was my first year ever making velvet ribbon bows. Love how those turned out. And then we are adding these gold ornaments that are from previous years. I think these ones are from Michael's from honestly like 8 years ago. And I promised I was not adding glitter, but oh my goodness, this tree needed, I think I only added about 4 big balls of the glitter ones. And I absolutely love how it came out. So one thing that if I'm gonna recommend anything for you is just play around with it, have some fun with it. I have been decorating, playing around and moving things in this room for a solid month. So I started decorating, you guys, November 1st, and it is now end of November when I'm filming this. You're gonna see it in a few days, and you'll have to let me know how you think it has come together. Again, I do think that the neutrals are really beautiful, but I just felt like the greenery and earthy tones was simply not enough. So I went and got these burgundy velvet ribbon bows. I actually made the bows. So I went and got the ribbon, made the bows, and I got 2 different sizes, and I absolutely love how it came together. I also went and got some picks from Hobby Lobby, again in that deeper burgundy, almost like wine color, and look at it. I love it. I love it so much. I am very happy with how this year's tree came out. We have had this tree for 10 years and I just love it so much. Thank you so much for being here. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Hit that red subscribe button and we will see you next time. Bye.